Hello world, I am Manish and welcome to Cybosocks. In this video, you are going to learn how robot hear and how robot detect noises. The answer of all these questions are sound sensor. Let's first understood what sound sensors are. The sound sensor listens for noises. If sound happens nearby, it picks up the vibration and knows something made a noise. The sound sensor convert these noises to electrical signals which it can send back to our brain so we can read our noises value. Let's build our robot. Alright everyone, now it's time to build our robot. Today we will be using Cybosocks Robot Kit 2.0 step by step from scratch. This kit is specially designed for make robotics fun, simple and hands-on. So your kid can learn robotics and programming. Assemble your car using Cybosocks car assembly manual. First connect our USB to our brain. Now let's connect other end of the USB to our computer. Now let's connect sound sensor to 3-pin cable. Other end of the 3-pin cable to analog port. Put the sound sensor here. Before moving to our code, let's understand its algorithm and flowchart. As you can see in our algorithm, we are reading values from sound sensor, then printing this its value, wait for 0.5 second and repeat this process again. So as we do with any other sensor, we will first attach this sensor to our brain. After this, we will read values from this and print it. Let's understood our flowchart. Starting the program, then we will create our sound sensor, then read its value and print it, and repeat this process again. Let's code. First open our Google Chrome and type Cybosocks. Visit cybosocks.com. On the top panel you can see block editor, click on it. First we are going to do what? Yes, always initialize our pins. So let's initialize our sound pin. Go to pins and devices and choose get analog sound sensor. Write its name to sound and choose its port to analog 1. After this we are going to read its value again and again. So we are going to pick our while loop. Go to control and pick while loop. Because we are doing it infinitely, so we are going to set its condition to true. Go to math and logic and pick true block and set its condition to true. After this we are going to print our read value. So go to our input and print, pick print block. Now choose two value block from input and print. Set its first value to our string. Write sound value. For the second value we are going to print readings from sound sensor. Go to pin and devices. Pick read analog value block. Because our pin name is sound, write pin name sound. Now code is completed. Click on connect brain button. Choose USB serial. Click on connect. After connecting successfully, click on run code. As you can see, we are getting sound value. Clap and notice the value. Let's compare our flowchart with our program. We are starting our code. We are creating sound sensor. We are creating sound sensor at analog 1. Then we are reading sound sensor and printing its value. We are reading from sound sensor and printing its value. Then we are continuously reading and printing. Then we are continuously reading and printing because our condition is true. Great job! Now you have understood how robots hear and detect noises. If you have understood how sound sensor works, how to use them in further projects, please subscribe our channel and like this video. Meet you in the next video.